Hi, today I wanted to talk to you about some heroes of the business world who are the operations managers. These are the people who help to move businesses forward, that help to improve day-to-day business running and improve their processes, the quality that's produced by the business, and actually are just all around great people to have in your business. So this one is for the operations managers, heroes of business. Hi, my name's Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform, and welcome to today's video about operations management and how operations managers are business performance heroes. These are the people that will work in your business to improve the performance of your team, to improve quality, to drive up the results that you get for your business in your day-to-day operations and in your long-term strategic outlook. So what do these guys do? So these people are responsible for many different things depending on what the area of business that you're in, but one of the key things that they all are responsible for is change management, improving your business, changing your processes, refining things in order to make your business progress. So whether this is improving productivity and performance throughout your team, so whether they're looking at in particular processes that your business has, and actually even maybe defining those processes. If you're new to operations management, it might be that your business has been running possibly with you defining some loose processes, or you might not even have any processes defined at all. So a system or a process is effectively just simply how your business operates. So what do you do to get your business from the initial start of a service all the way through delivery to the completion of the service, or the development of a product, or the building of a product, or the design of a website. Whatever it might be, it has a process. And what a good operations manager can do is they can define a process that can be repeatable, can be followed, can even have different decision branches in it, so people can make options appear into the process, so that you can always consistently provide a great quality product that complies with all the regulations, but is always consistent. That's the key thing, consistency of progress throughout this process. And this helps your business to become higher performing. It improves the productivity of a business because everyone knows what they should be doing, when they should be doing it, who should be doing it, and how you are doing things in your business in a consistent manner. When we're talking about operations managers today, it might be just a role that someone else in your business has. If you're a small business, it might be the director, the founder, they take care of operations, or maybe you've got someone else who works for you who's really good with operations and processes, and they take on this role. So this applies to not only people whose name and their role is operations manager or ops manager or whatever you want to call them. It might be it's just a role that's part of your job. What these people do is they will try different processes out. They'll experiment. So they'll see whether the process that you're running at the moment is the best process. Is there anything we can change? Do we need more different tools? Do we need more software? Do we need to change the way that we do things? Should someone else be doing this job rather than the person who's doing it currently? All these things, and getting people to come along the way with them on the process, on the journey, is all an important part of change management. So making sure that the change that you're implementing is actually going in correctly, is having an impact, and is actually helping to grow your business. This is one of the big roles that an operations manager will have as part of their job description. So as part of this change management, you need to be able to be a good communicator, and you need to have tools in place that help you to communicate with all the key people involved in your business. So this is everyone from the management, who they will often be a key part of the team, either at the very top level if they're a chief operating officer, or maybe a level down manager, a general manager or operations manager, or maybe they're just part of the team, but they need to speak up to the management to let them know how things are going on. So they'll need to be able to communicate with those people, with people about a strategic outlook of the business, about how things are going at a higher level. So as well as that high level communication and being able to deliver statistical information, management information, they also need to be able to talk to the staff and help them to understand why the process that they're following is important and how to implement the changes that the strategic directors have put in place in order to grow the business. So you need to be able to talk, up to the management, but also across out to the team as well, to get everybody on board, get everyone motivated with the new change, help people to understand why they're doing it, not just instructing people, bring people along with the change with you, and that comes through great communication. Now, as well as people inside the business, operations managers also need to communicate with people outside of the business. So potentially with regulators, because they'll be responsible for ensuring that people are compliant and your business is compliant with laws, regulations that operate in your district, your region, to ensure that your business processes are compliant, but also with your clients to ensure that the process and the service that you're offering is designed that fits in well with their needs and requirements, that the service that you're offering is what your clients want, the way that you do it's what your clients want, and how you can improve your process in order to better facilitate your clients and offer them more value. So being able to communicate with all these stakeholders is another key role of the operations manager. So the third role I want to talk about the business heroes, business performance heroes, the operations managers, is delivering quality. So as well as delivering performance, which is getting things done, getting throughput through the business, and communicating with people and making sure everyone's along with the journey and everyone's getting what they want and they know what they should be doing, they also are responsible for delivering quality in the business. So ensuring that consistency is delivering a consistent product or service that's of a high quality, that, as we've already said, that meets the regulations. And this is done by making sure that there's key performance indicators and key quality indicators so that they can test and assure the quality of the processes, and the delivery of the end result is meeting the standards that have been set out. So they're also responsible for delivering quality in the business as well as performance. So as well as being able to define the processes and put the strategies in place and communicate, another key thing is giving people the right tools. So you need to be able to give people the right equipment. They need to understand what equipment people need in order to do their job correctly, what can be improved, can they leverage technology in order to make the process run more smoothly. You can't have people going out trying to hammer in nails with a screwdriver. You've got to give them the right tool for the job. And the operations manager will be the people who are responsible for ensuring people have got the right equipment. So whether that is physical tools, if you've got an operations department that needs to manage people who go out and do physical jobs and actually go and install things, install TVs or install sound equipment or CCTV, then you might actually need to be keeping an eye on your physical tools. If it's manufacturing equipment, maybe they need to keep track of how often the equipment needs to be serviced, when it should be replaced, how it should be checked that it's okay. This is all part of operations management. But it could be more in the office environment. It could be about having the right software tools. So has your business got the right software in place to facilitate what you do as a business? Is the software that you're running helping you with your process? So can the software align to your process, or are you aligning to the software's process, which maybe is suboptimal? And what you want to look out for is software solutions that you can integrate and can manipulate in order to run the business in the way that you want to run it, and to provide the process and the infrastructure for supporting the process that you've developed, and also allow you to do experiments, to test out different things, to try new processes. And that's what we at SwiftCase, that's where we come in. That's what we do. We build workflow management systems which improve people's productivity by allowing them to build their processes and integrate different systems in order to run their business in a more efficient way, and also leverage other technologies and integrate other technologies that they maybe need to use that are more specific to their business field of expertise, but it can all be coordinated in one area, which is great for operations managers. So operations managers are also about having the right tools, technology, keeping things up to date and making sure that they're leveraging the best technology that can aid their business in moving forward with performance, quality, and compliance with regulations. So today we've been through how operations managers are the great business performance heroes. It's a really big job that encompasses a large area of the business, and it could be, as I say, this could be a role of another job title that you may have, especially in a small business. You might be the general manager, you might be the CEO, you might be the founder, director, whatever your title is for your business. This might be part of your role about improving your business, managing change, communicating with your staff, providing your staff with the right tools and equipment in order to facilitate great performance, great quality, and compliance with regulations. So it's a big job, it is a big job. And don't forget, there are tools and strategies out there to help you along the way and share some of the load. So hopefully this video has been useful. If you've enjoyed it, or you've got any comments about what I've been talking about today, or you know some other job roles that are part of an operations manager's day-to-day job, then please drop them in the comments below and I'll join you in the conversation. If you've liked this video and you want to see more like it, then click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified of more videos like this. Thank you for watching. My name's Adam Sykes, founder of SwiftCase, the professional productivity platform, and we'll see you again next time.